So this is the second part of my talk about the forest. We're here in the light. So there is a small garden that looks like a forest. This is more inspiring. I'm gonna try to stay within the light. So as we were talking, there's the top of the forest. It's the canopy. So basically, the canopy has a lot of the emergent trees. It has the most amount of light exposure productivity. And there are a lot of like carbon studies. I remember when I was in La Selva, there were like the towers. There were studies on carbon and photosynthesis. This is a topic that I never really delved in too much. But it has the most amount of exposure to sunlight. So for that reason, it has the most amount of energy that's being processed. So usually when you have forests, a lot of the flowers try to reach that place. A lot of the you can find a lot of canopy hummingbirds on the top. You can find a lot of tree frogs that are specialized on the canopy on the top. For example, the past Agallignes calcalifer was known for being a top frog. I do not know that much about the forest in Asia and Africa, but there are some species of lizards like the gymnophthalmids that are usually way on the top. So this makes the forest top quite interesting. As far as birds, like the wattled bellbird can be in the top, and I remember there were all these birds that I really enjoyed, like finding like cotingas that are very hard to find. Some of the barbets sometimes are usually more of a top canopy forest. The parrots, small parrots, are canopy dwellers. You move a step down, you'll be at the understory. So this is probably one of the largest, the most nondescript parts of the forest, because it has like the sub canopy and then all the way to the understory, and the layering is usually not as clear cut as it could be. But usually this part is very shaded unless there's a trefoil. So this brings a lot of the successional species into the trefoil. And in this area, there's, just because the trunks are larger, there tends to be more mammals, like arboreal mammals tend to hang out here. There's a lot of snakes. There are many species of birds. Like you can usually find the tree creepers in this area. You can usually find, one of my first types of birds are the furnariids. The ovenbirds are found here. Leaf toasters are found in this area. Bromeliads are very common in this area because they're attached to a trunk. So there's a species of frog called the picadoi, after Picado, who was famous for studying bromeliads. It used to be Ila, but all the names, the genuses have changed, are found here. And it's a lot more shaded. As you move lower down, you'll find the understory. So there's like another canopy of bushes and small trees in this area. And the light here is there's even less light because it's obviously the understory. So the competition for light is quite high. It's actually the law of the jungle applies here. Is like in Spanish, es puñalada por tajada pan, stab